Hi everyone. This video is very special video, and this is about the knowledge. Uh, Actually, I was not decide to make this video, but suddenly I think better I get some information to people, and it's very helpful for me. It's life changing. Almost 10 year, I don't go to doctor and I don't use any medicines. I use everything is natural way, herb way. Actually, honestly, there is no herb and just natural way is I use the honey. I think this kind of video you cannot find anywhere. You see, this is a 7 kg bottle. This is quite big bottle.
7 kilo.
7 kilo, 7 kilo, 7 kg, 7 kilo. This bottle is 7 kilo. I'm just hiding the brand, and here you can see 7. Here you can see, I hope you can see, right? 7 kilo. So 7,000 gram, 7 kilo bottle. I use this honey every day. This 7 kilo honey we both people can use in 1 month.
1 month.
1 month, right?
1 month.
Almost 1 month.
Finish.
And before marriage, I'm already using since long time. Since she married with me, she don't go to doctor. She don't use any medicine. Alhamdulillah. As we are Muslim, we believe on Allah and Allah medicine. So this is the honey. Now 7 kilo we use in 1 month. Next, after this bottle, actually small table here, this is a 3 kilo honey, and this honey also, as you can see, this is a 3 kg bottle. I hope, 3,100 gram, as you can see, 3,100 gram. This 3 kilo was biggest bottle, but when I come to Indonesia and I get it more honey here,
7 kilos.
7 kilo for 1 month. And normally we have it best honey, Manuka, if you want. This is Manuka also, we have it. There's a lot of honey in my cupboard, but it's a small table I can bring. The purpose to show you and make this video, I will put it all down. The 7 kilo honey, 1 month we can use it in sickness or any kind of thing, and we are very happy with that and satisfied. Now you see one bottle is going to finish. Another bottle I ordered from the jungle of Indonesia, from Kalimantan. This is only for our daily use. We have special honey for sickness. If we are get sick, we have special honey also. But this is just for, we put it in our drink, in tea or coffee or something. And now you can see this packing. And here is another 7 kilo honey is ready. So this is the same, as you can see. 7 kilo honey bottle is ready here. This is a 7 kilo, it's really big. And this is a half kilo. This is half kilo, 500 gram. As I can show you here, this is Manuka from New Zealand. This is 500 gram. I hope you can see here down, 500 gram. So here you can see how many bottle can fix in it. 500, 500, 500. 7 kilo honey. Why? Because it's a health.
Yes.
It's a natural cure, and this is the best cure in our life. So I want to share with you. For me personally, almost 10 years, and she almost, since she know me, almost 1 year, already. She didn't take any medicine. She didn't take any kind of thing. Always we use honey. And this is in the Quran, as we are Muslim. Even in the Bible, if you are Christian, is written about the honey. Surah Nahl, the almost last ayat, Allah say honey is a cure for humanity. Honey is shifaun nas. So when I know this thing, my everything is changed. I say, like, Allah, He tell already the cure of the humanity, shifaun nas, but shaitan people make a waswasa, doubt. Honey is not pure. How to eat honey? It's hot, mixed
And
with someone.
sweet.
Everyone looking for real honey, but when they get honey, they want to mix. So if you notice, everyone looking for real honey, but once they get honey, they want to mix honey with something. Why not eat pure? We have squeeze bottles there, and we just take like 2 spoon, 3 spoon. We can just squeeze in the mouth. No need to take a spoon or something. It's simple and easy because we have to eat every day, maybe 2 times.
3 times.
And 3 times depends. Sometimes less also, but it doesn't mean we didn't get sick. Sometimes we get sore throat, sometimes fever because human.
But very short time.
But very short time, 2 days, 3 days, we can recover. So yeah, that's my life experience. Is very important thing that and not me, even my family also, my friends, best friends also, my relative also. Now everyone is almost medicine free because we are. This is a secret of life actually written in already in the Quran, even in the Bible, even in Buddhism also. If you are Hindu or, but we don't research. Because this all big companies, you know, they are making profit and money only, and nobody want to tell you this thing. So I want to share with you my life experience. Use honey every day. Put in your face for your beauty. Eat in your for your stomach. Mix with the water and drink for your urinary tract infection if you want to clear the pee or kidney or liver. And then if you have wound and if you have any problem in the skin allergy, you can put on the skin.
Can spray it in the skin.
Yeah, can eat, can use on the face, can use
for
on the
nipples
skin.
also.
Sorry?
For nipples, for nipple.
Pimples.
I sorry.
For pimples. For pimples. That is how when Indonesian speaks the wrong. Sorry, I think I have to censor. Teen. Now this is the real vlog. This is the real vlog, and this is a real mistake, and this is the real Chinese. This is how when you speak wrong English. I mean, share this part to the world. When the Indonesian, my wife have a nice English, but suddenly the pimples. So she ever had pimples, and she put the honey. So change the topic. Teen, censor.
Sorry.
So use the Manuka honey. Use the Manuka honey. This is the best honey in the world. Manuka from New Zealand. We use this honey also for emergency case if suddenly you want to fix anything. But the general health for everyday use, for make your immune system strong, for anything, we use honey every day from the jungle. And I order, and actually this is not a 2 bottles. Before 2 bottles, almost 2 bottles, I finished already.
Last month.
And I didn't make video, and I say like, this is just my daily life. But I say, why not share? It's not only, I'm not publicity anything. I'm not marketing anything. I'm not saying buy honey from me.
Yeah.
But use it. Use it wherever you get it. And mostly honey is a real. Don't have any fake honey in your mind. Why? Because there's not much people use it. People, they make a fake product when they can be a quickly rich. And they have a very high sale. Coca-Cola can be. Some things like a milk can be because everyday use. But honey, the people buy a small bottle and like 1 year put in the fridge or shelf and forget it. So yeah, she's still getting effect and she's still laughing because of her mistake, because she's learning and she's improving her English. So sorry about that. But for next funny vlog, she make it. I didn't plan anything. I was talking and she said, yeah, pimples.
Yeah,
pimples are here.
Sometimes I'm shy.
Only pimples are here. Only pimples are here. So she talk about pimple. If you have pimple or acne on your face.
This can make gone very quickly.
Very quickly, yeah. I think you don't talk much, so maybe another mistake can be. Okay, hope you like the video. Don't forget to like, thumbs up. See you.
Assalamualaikum.
Waalaikumsalam.